I've worked for 4 different corporate dental offices in the Cleveland area, and Hudak Dental is just a breath of fresh air.
It's a good community. Like you know that you're with people that care, and that's what I like about it.
I don't think that I ever come into work where I feel like this is not the place I want to be.
It really is a family environment. It's nice. It's like very relaxed. It's what you make of it.
The one thing I didn't know that I was going to get when I started working here was just the care from the company. Like how much they do for their employees. I didn't expect that at all.
They care more about you than the numbers. I've worked in the competitive number crunch environment, and when I started at Hudak Dental, I was welcomed.
Do I believe in my staff? I couldn't be here today without them.
The other corporate dentistry office that I worked for, you just kind of seemed to be like another number.
When I worked at a private office, when my doctor took off, we had to be off. If 3 patients canceled, then at the end of the day, we had to leave.
And with this company, if there's something special that I need to do, I'm able to find somebody in the Hudak Dental practice that's going to cover for me, and I can feel confident that I could go on a vacation or take a day off to be with my family when it's important to me.
Here, I feel like we have our immediate family, which is us and the girls in the office here, and then I feel like we have an extended family as well, which is, you know, Dr. Hudak, Mike, the other office managers, the other office teams.
You can build a career here, that you're encouraged to go to the next level if you want to go back to school. I mean, I've done it.
Hudak Dental does help you grow. Dr. Hudak just did a CE for all the hygienists and doctors, and it was a free CE. That adds a lot because they can be very expensive.
I really love the way that it can become a career because we promote a lot from within the office.
I actually started at Hudak Dental as an assistant, and I am an EFTA. So they believed in me, they helped me a little bit with a financial program, and they made it available to further my education in the dental field.
I started as a file girl, and I'm an office manager, and hopefully I can become something even bigger.
Just as I've grown, why shouldn't you grow? If everybody wants to get better, and that's how I always believe it. Not one that says that everybody's entitled to it. I like the idea that people want to get better for themselves.
Been here a long time, not just because I'm comfortable here, and it's because I've been able to grow.
The company is started by a family, and they treat everybody as if they are family. You're not going to find that experience anywhere else.
One word that describes Hudak Dental is caring.
Family.
Caring.
Amazing.
Dedication.
Amazing.
Awesome.
Definitely team.
Family oriented.
Family.
Es fantástica y fenomenal.
Family.
It's important.
Sincere.
It is awesome.
I would say priority, one patient, one priority.
Team.
Family.
Compassionate.
It's relax and smile.
You need to apply. It's amazing.
It's like a puzzle. They're all a piece, and they all contribute to the final puzzle, how it all fits together.
It's a great place to work. That's all I can say. I can't stress that enough. I love coming to work.